Alexa, give me a nutrition tip.
Not change the way you saute. No need for butter. According to Mayo Clinic, butter has saturated and trans fats that your body doesn't need. Instead, saute with olive oil. And for baking, use canola oil instead of butter. To hear more tips on nutrition, just say, Alexa, next.
That's actually not a bad tip. It's okay. Butter and switching butter for oil. Oil is still high in calories, so my nutrition tip compared to Alexa's would have been, instead of using oil, use a non-stick spray instead. You're saving calories. You can still use the olive oil version or the canola oil version, whatever the heck version you want, rather than using butter or oils. Why not both of them, Alexa? It could be both. What is going on, guys? It's Joe, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. I included that in there because I asked Alexa what the weather's like, and then she said you can also ask for nutrition tips, which I thought was like, hey, why not ask for one and record it and see what she says? But speaking of nutrition and weight loss tips, we just scheduled an upload for a new video going out to the day I am recording this video right here. Check that video out. Make sure to check that video out. A busy day ahead of us today. We have a push day. We have some food to eat, a full day of eating, all that good stuff, and a brand new recipe. So sit back, relax, and enjoy another episode. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to meal number one. What we have here is 6 slices of French toast. We have, to top it off, Miss Buttersworth, as well as 100 grams of Greek yogurt with a serving of PB Fit and some sweetener in there as well. And on the side, a little cup of joe. Calories for this first meal is going to be 803 calories. It's going to be around 85 grams of protein, 87 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, and only 5 grams of fat. So a shit ton of protein, a shit ton of carbs, and very low fat for the first meal. Check this out, right? We have our 6 slices of French toast, mixing it up a little bit, taking our Greek yogurt, and we're just going to put it right in the middle of that bad boy right there, as well as take a little bit of syrup. Go ahead and top that off, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold over this French toast, make like a little, I don't know, French toast burrito looking thing, and just, that right there, my friends, is absolutely fantastic. Again, Greek yogurt is just so versatile in anabolic recipes. I mean, it's like really the quarterback. It carries the recipe. It's the base for a lot of things right here. But what would make this even better if you put some fruit in there as well, and have this little like French toast burrito yumminess thing. I don't even know what to call that, to be honest with you. That's just delicious. But this is gonna go ahead and be meal number one. I'm gonna eat this, and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I am here in my car sipping on some pre-workout, getting ready for the gym. As well as having a little pre-workout snack, I'm going to actually have just one of these Pop-Tarts right here. And that brings our overall caloric intake to 1,003 calories. Overall macros, 87 grams of protein, 121 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fat, and only 4 grams of fiber. One of these, each Pop-Tart's 200 calories, so I'm not going to waste 400 of my calories for the entire day just to have 2 Pop-Tarts, but I will have one of them as a little pre-workout carbohydrate to give me some energy, give me a nice pump while I'm in the gym. BCA is in my pre-workout, so I am getting some type of muscle protection there. I don't usually like having a lot of protein when I work out. I like having my BCAs, and then I like just having a quick absorbing carb to just maximize my pump. Eat this pre-workout, eat the Pop-Tart, and I'll see you guys at the gym.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Alrighty, we are back here from the gym. I'm just having a little snacky poo-poo right here, and this is gonna be 2 chocolate rice cakes, 120 grams of strawberries with around 75 grams of Greek yogurt, and then 1 serving of PB Fit mixed in the Greek yogurt as well. Bringing our total calories for the entire day to 1,274. 105 grams of protein, 261 grams of carbs. 10 grams of fiber, and then 16 grams of fat. So let's go ahead and give this a little strawberry and chocolate rice cake. Actually, taste test. Got a chocolate rice cake in a long time, and let me tell you something, this is back in my rotation for foods. They're so good. You need to be a little bit careful with them. Once I open the package up and I start going with those rice cakes by themselves, I mean, once I get into a sleeve, there's no getting out. But this is gonna be my post-workout little snack here in a little bit. After I shower, get ourselves situated, I will take you guys through a brand new recipe. Alrighty, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen. We have on the apron, we have on the chef's hat, and what we are cooking up today is going to be a grilled cheese, but not just any grilled cheese. Disney actually dropped their spicy buffalo grilled cheese that is found in Woody's lunchbox. I'm not sure. I saw a video of this on another cooking channel. I actually linked that video in the description down below. But when I saw it, I thought to myself, that looks absolutely delicious. However, it also looks very high in calorie. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and make a lower calorie version of that grilled cheese sandwich. So what we got going on in here first is the stuffing, the actual thing that goes in the middle of the grilled cheese. So in a bowl here, we have 75 grams of fat-free cream cheese, 2 servings of fat-free cheese, and then also 50 grams of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. And what I'm gonna do with this guy is go ahead and mix that up. So once you have that all mixed up, what I have here on the side is 4 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast. In the video that I watched, it had not chicken breast, but chicken thighs. We switched out the thighs for breasts to just lower the overall caloric intake, and this bad boy goes right in there. All right, and this is pretty much what the sandwich looks like when you put the chicken and that stuffing in there. So what we use instead of the sourdough bread is actually just white bread. White bread a little bit lower in calories. We have 2 different sandwiches instead of 1. We also used some Velveeta cheese squares right here. This bad boy is only 40 calories per serving. And last but not least, there is a little bit of a mayo component to it. So instead of using regular ass high calorie mayo, we're using a lighter version of it. A tablespoon of this with around 3 to 5 grams of sriracha. I said, hey, if it's a spicy buffalo grilled cheese, we might as well make the mayo component a little bit spicy as well, so we added that sriracha in there. All that there's left to do now is add the mayo to the outsides of the bread and cook this bad boy right up. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, once the sandwich built, go ahead and cook it on each side for around 3 to 4 minutes on a low to medium heat, and this is somewhat of the final product. I mean, look at that, 2 sandwiches, several Diet Cokes. Obviously, you know me and my Diet Coke. 2 full-on sandwiches right there. So what we got for these 2 sandwiches, for both of them, 761 calories for 2 sandwiches right here. Our total caloric intake for the entire day at 2,036 calories. Overall macros for the entire day, 177 grams of protein, 243 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fiber, and only 33 grams of fat. Let's go and give this grilled cheese a little bit of a taste test for the boys. Oh my god. All right there, my friends, is absolutely delicious. Full recipe for the entire thing will be in the description down below. Please give this recipe a shot. Watch the video that I'm linking down below for the original recipe that I found of Disneyland's version. One of those sandwiches is probably close to at least 1,000 calories. For 2 of these bad boys, you're getting them at less than 800 calories. As far as making some easy swaps in the kitchen, still able to have a delicious meal without sacrificing the health, and still able to stick with some low calorie options right here. I'm going to eat this and enjoy this, and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are here wrapping up the entire night. What we got in this bowl is around 5.5 ounces of salmon, 1 serving of spinach, around I think 80 or 70 grams of a thing called watercresses. It's like 11 calories. You can have a lot of them. It's a very low calorie dense vegetable, which brings our total calories to 2,313 calories. Our overall macros for the entire day is 212 grams of protein, 246 grams of carbs, and 46 grams of fat. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and go to bed. I am wrapping the video up here. Hope you enjoyed that recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys are new. It's been your boy Joe. Peace.